Hello students, welcome back to our grammar class. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of adjectives and understand how they make our sentences more descriptive and precise. As we learned earlier, adjectives are words that describe a noun or pronoun more precisely. For example, there was an enormous truck outside my house. Adjectives can be classified into several types. 1. Possessive adjectives. Adjectives that are used to express possession of the subject in the sentence are called possessive adjectives. Check the example. 2. Demonstrative adjectives. Adjectives that are used to specifically describe the position of the subject in the sentence are called demonstrative adjectives. Check the example. 3. Interrogative adjectives. Adjectives that are used to alter the noun in the sentence to frame a question are called interrogative adjectives. Check the example. 4. Participle adjectives. Adjectives ending with the suffix ed or ing are called participle adjectives. She has a loving aunt. Present participle, an adjective ending with the suffix ing. Alia bought a coloring book for her niece. Past participle, an adjective ending with the suffix ed, en. Beloved Ram is succeeding in life. Adjective of quality. Adjectives that describe the quality of the subject are called adjectives of quality. Check the example. Adjective of quantity. Adjectives that describe the quantity of the subject are called adjectives of quantity. Check the examples. Adjective of number. Adjectives that provide a number to describe the quantity of the subject are called adjectives of number. Check the examples. Position of adjectives. Adjectives can be placed in two different positions in a sentence. Predicative position. This is when the adjective comes after the verb in the sentence. For example, I feel exhausted after my day. Attributive position. This is when the adjective comes before the noun in the sentence. For example, she is a beautiful girl. Order of adjectives. We already know that adjectives give us additional information about the noun or pronoun in a sentence. They tell us about opinions, age, color, origin, shape, and the material of a noun. But when we use more than one adjective together, we cannot place them randomly. They follow a particular sequence. The order will be article, opinion, size or age, shape, color, material, noun. For example, a big blue denim jacket. Formation of adjectives. Adjectives can also be formed in two ways, by adding suffixes to a noun. Example, success plus ful full equals successful. By adding prefixes to an adjective to make it negative. Example, im plus practical equals impractical. Degree of comparison. Adjectives can be compared based on their quality. This comparison is shown through 3 degrees of comparison. Positive degree. This is the simple form of the adjective where no comparison is made. Example, she is a quiet person. Comparative degree. This degree is used when two nouns are being compared. Example, she is quieter than him. Superlative degree. This degree is used when more than two nouns are compared. Example, she is the quietest among them. Forming comparative and superlative degrees. One-syllable adjectives. To make the comparative degree, we add the suffix er. To make the superlative degree, we add the suffix est. Check the examples. Rules. If the positive degree ends with e, add only r or est, like larger, wisest. If the positive degree ends with y, change y to I before adding the suffix, like tastier, earlier. If the positive degree ends with the consonant preceded by a vowel, double the last consonant, like fatter, saddest. Two-syllable adjectives. Comparative, use more before the adjective. Superlative, use most before the adjective. Check the examples. Irregular comparisons. Some adjectives have irregular forms of comparison. These do not follow these rules. Check the table for understanding. It's practice time. Now it's your turn. Try solving the question below. Now let's check the answers. Great effort today. We explored adjectives in detail. Keep practicing and you'll master them quickly. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more fun grammar lessons.